Hello there, welcome to our channel Lognets again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to watch live videos on your Instagram account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to watch live videos on your Instagram account or the Instagram app, first let's open the Instagram app. And after opening your Instagram, the interface will be similar to this, where you can see the shop icon on the bottom right corner of your screen, just beside your profile picture icon, the bag icon over here. Tap on that shop icon like this, and you will be directed to the page where on the top you can see the video section. Tap on videos, and let's let it load for a second. And you can see, guys, there is the live now option available over here, and anybody who is live over your periphery will be available over here on live now, or you whomever you have followed, they will be live over here. And this is how you watch the live videos on Instagram app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.